Alright, I'm going to show you how you can select and paste visible cells only within Excel. So here we have a small set of data, and let's say that we want to copy and paste all of locations 1 data. So that would be this cell and this cell. What we can do is select the headers and first create a filter by going up to the Home ribbon under Sort and Filter and just select Filter. And then we can hit this little drop down, unselect all the locations, and just select location 1, hit OK. So that's going to filter with just this location. So when you filter something, Excel is essentially just hiding the rest of the data. The other data has not been deleted or removed from your worksheet. Now obviously in this example we don't have a ton of data, but when you're dealing with thousands of rows of data, this is helpful to know. So there are kind of two main ways that you can select visible cells. You can select within one of the rows and you can hit Control A and that will select all of that. Or what you can do is when you have your visible cell shown, you can go up to Find and Select under the Home ribbon, go to Special, and you can select Visible Cells Only and then hit OK. And that's going to highlight literally everything that's visible. So I prefer the Control A method. We can copy that, and then if we paste this, and I'll widen these really quick, it looks like it only copies 1, but that's because the filter is blocking us from seeing all of the data we pasted because it's hiding row 3 through 6. So if we unselect our filter by going back up to the ribbon, hitting and unselecting the filter will go away and then our pasted data will appear. But there you have it. That's how you can select all visible cells in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.